Hello friends, welcome to the weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So the last week, the third week of April, we had a slightly uh, very slight downtrend in the markets. Okay, the previous 3 weeks, starting with the last week of March, the markets have rallied up. So let us talk about Nifty 50 first, and then we'll move back to Nifty, Bank Nifty. So as I said, the past 3 weeks, starting with the last week of March, markets have rallied up, and this week, Nifty 50 opened above the previous week's close, and we have a close slightly below the open of the previous week. So overall, though this looks like a bearish engulfing, this would have been a very good engulfing if Nifty managed to close below 17,600. However, it just managed to close barely below the open of previous week's candle, and while it still qualifies for an engulfing, it's not a very large engulfing, I would say. And this support that is playing out toward the end of the session of last day of the week also is something very significant. So the overall picture, we can see there is some consistent downtrend here and then a sharp rally, and now we have a one decent enough bearish candle in Nifty 50. So this candle cannot be ignored. Because it's coming at after three successive sharp upward green candles, and this candle is also of not a small size, it's of decent size. So what can we expect this week? So this week, the last week of April, for let us say, for the downtrend to be confirmed, at the least we will need a close below 17,400. If we have another red candle of whichever variety with a close below 17,400, then we can expect Nifty to be going down further in May. However, if this week manages to break above the top of this candle, that is 17,850 or 860, 17,860, let us say. If Nifty manages to break above this candle, something like this, then we will have further, we can expect further rally up. Maybe Nifty may even go and test or break this 18,000 or something like that. It all depends on how the next week candle closes. However, if none of these happen, and if next week candle happens to be something, let us say like this, within enclosed within this the previous week's candle, then all that we can conclude is this is some kind of consolidation that is happening, and we have to see. I mean, unless a candle breaks down or breaks above, the consolidation may continue for one more week also. It all depends on the market movement. So as of now, it is really tricky to predict the market direction. The bias is towards a negative move. So Nifty 50, given the kind of candle we have here, unless something strong happens, it should go down and close below 17,500 this week, or maybe 17,400 also. But if the support is strong, and if Nifty 50 manages to go above 17,800, it might eventually even break this top of the resistance, previous resistance, and can continue a rally. Talking about Bank Nifty is not looking as weak as Nifty 50. the candle that we have on Bank Nifty seems to be what I would say, a consolidation candle in an uptrend. So this candle doesn't indicate a very strong bearishness. The next candle can easily be something like this, breaking over this candle. Usually that is what happens in an uptrend. However, if uh, this candle is a precursor to a downtrend, then the next candle might close below 41,500 or may even close below 41,000 if the selling happens to be intensely pushing the price down. If this happens, then we can conclude that this uptrend is over and price is going down. However, if the Bank Nifty manages to close above, then this uptrend is continuing and we can expect the price to go up. We don't know how far it will go, but at least that will give an indication that price is going up. So this is the weekly outlook for Bank Nifty. That is the weekly analysis on the indices. So we'll again meet with the weekly analysis on Saturday or Sunday of this week, and that will also conclude the April month. So we'll have much better picture by then. Thank you and see you then.